everyone, Hashio from Hashkirk and welcome back to my channel. Yesterday Sony Xperia 1 Mark II officially announced in an online event. It comes with the latest Snapdragon 865 chipset, a powerful camera configuration and a 5G support. So let me share some important features of this smartphone. First of all, the smartphone comes up with a 6.5-inch 4K HDR OLED panel with 21:9 cinematic aspect ratio. Instead of the high refresh rate screen, Sony implements motion blur reduction that is far better than 90Hz claimed by Sony, which will be analyzed what's on the screen and adjusting individual frames to reduce frame lag. On the back to the camera setup, Sony added a powerful 12MP main primary sensor plus 12MP ultra-wide angle plus 12MP telephoto camera. Also we will see his branding near sensors. Xperia 1 Mark II produces less ghosting effect when you shoot against a source of light by using anti-reflective coating from this technology. On the front, up on the top bezel, an 8MP sensor was included. The phone runs on Android 10 on the top and powered by latest flagship Snapdragon 865 processor combined with the 5G that's work on sub-6 GHz networks. Interestingly, Sony brings back the old 3.5mm audio jack that is missing in many smartphones these days. Also had an improved stereo speakers. That's all for today guys, so let me know your thoughts about the Sony Xperia in the comment box. I will share a new video tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates about the smartphones. And also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thanks for watching it. Haskushabz from Hashtag.